Hello, my name is Kaylee Schnack, and I'm here to complete Module 1 for District Finance Class EDL 954. I know we don't need a PowerPoint, but it's just easier for me to do some talking points and for you to get to know me. So I work at USD 407 Russell County Schools. We currently have 812 students, 87 certified teachers, and 67 support staff throughout the whole district. Specifically, I work at Bickerdike Elementary, where we house 244 students, 25 certified teachers, and 22 support staff members. My work address is 348 North Maple, Russell, Kansas, 67665, and my work number is 785-483-6066, and then my home number is 785-488-7643. I teach Title I at my school, so I do intervention in reading and math for the 2nd grade through 5th grade level. This is my 2nd year in this position. I am also the general education intervention coordinator for the school. I've been a member for over 4 years, but this is my 2nd year to lead the meetings and support teachers, and just get all the fun paperwork ready. I am also a part of the I'm an after school coordinator. So we started an after school program 2 years ago. And so I make sure everything runs smoothly, get guest speakers in, deal with behavior issues, parent issues. I kind of just do it all, after school as well. I have previously taught special education pre-K through 3rd grade for 6 years. I've taught in Winfield, Hayes, and Nevada, Iowa. I also have taught general education for 3rd grade and remotely during COVID while pregnant, with dealing with 2nd through 5th grade students in all subject areas. Let me tell you, that was fun. I have earned the following degrees. So I have my bachelor's in elementary education with a minor in leadership studies from Southwestern College. I have a master's in early childhood special education, birth to 3rd grade from Wichita State University. I also have a master's in special education, high instance, K-12 from Fort Hays State University. I do have my building leadership certification from Fort Hays State, and I'm anticipating that I'll get my district leadership certification by May 2025. Taking this one slow. I'm working towards, I'm currently just holding leadership position in my future. I have a lot of leadership opportunities within my district. So I'm content with where I am because I get to help teachers in one aspect, but I also get to help the students and teach the students. So it's the best of both worlds right now. We also just hired a new superintendent, which I'm super excited about to see what he does and how things work for us in our district. And I just want to see what happens next. I've been in education for 10 years. 2 long-term goals that I have is to be an assistant superintendent or a special education director within the district or surrounding area. And then personally for me, I just want to travel and try to visit all the states in the United States. You can kind of see the map behind me. We have started a scratch-off map with my 2-year-old son because we just like to travel. And so we figured it'd be fun to take him to different places when we have breaks, and that's what we do. 2 short-term goals that I have is to move to a building principal position within my district or surrounding area, and to grow our family, to have another baby. Like I said, we do have a 2-year-old son, but we are hopeful to add to our family if possible. My greatest accomplishment as an educator is being able to make a difference in students' lives. Pre-K to 6th grade is what I put in here. My first job was preschool special education. I had no idea what I was doing. I remember I just was trying to figure it out. And then my 2nd year, I got better. And then eventually, like everything, you just kind of like learn. And then everything kind of just figures itself out. Like you still don't know what you're doing, but you're doing a better job about it. The first group that I had was preschoolers, like I said, and now they're 6th graders. And so it was great to be there for the milestones, like when they learned how to read their first chapter book, was able to figure out multiplication. And I'm still in contact with a lot of those families, and they just share things with me. And it's just the best feeling in the world to know that you left part of your heart and your footprint in with them, and they are making a difference, and they're growing into amazing human beings. I became an educator because my kindergarten teacher, Mrs. Harris, she was so heartwarming, supportive, and an encourager. Like I was one of the kids that just struggled. Like it just took a little longer for me to get. And she never gave up on me. And she was there to cheer me on from kindergarten all the way up to my high school career. And now we still talk, and she's still teaching. I think she teaches first grade now, but she was just my inspiration. I've told her that over and over. Without her, I would not be a teacher. I make a difference by building relationships and connections. I recently went to a behavioral conference and we talked about connections before corrections. Like that is my motto, and that's what I try to live by. I just want students to know that I love them dearly, and I really want to be invested in their life. Like they are not a test score to me. They are a person, and they deserve a voice, and they deserve someone to advocate and go to bat for them. I also, and love that family involvement. I love being invited to the sporting events or, the club events, things that they're doing outside of school, because it's so important. And those are the memories that students hold. I also am always trying to keep up with the trends within the relationships and connections. I want to know, what are the best practices? What is the research saying now? And I look for ways to better my own teaching practice. And that again comes with building the relationship and connection. Once I can figure out a way to get to a child, then I'm going to have more success with them and, make their education career a better and positive experience. And of course, finding more leadership experiences. Networking is huge. And so that also goes with building relationships. My background knowledge in finance is limited. I don't have much experience with the financial piece of a school budget. I do recall the building leadership finance class we had to use or had to complete. And I've also learned some of the lingo, but I am still like going in with deers in the headlight look. So I'm excited to learn. And that leads me to what I want to learn is to be a successful district leader when dealing with a high stakes district budget. I don't even do our personal budget. My husband does it. That's something that he is great at. So this will be something that I will definitely have to work at and learn for myself. My specific needs from this class are just to understand the ins and outs of the district budget, to keep myself and my future district on track, and to understand more of the lingo associated within the district budgets. I know there's all different parts of the district budget, and I just want to make sure that I am doing the best I can to learn for myself. And that's it. That's all I have to share. I look forward to meeting all my classmates and to working with you guys in the next 8 weeks. Have a great day.